Monday, 13th of May 2024. Volume day trader, trading financial markets. Welcome everyone on Monday session. Exactly 13 in some culture is not super lucky number, but we don't care. Market is the market, and let's have a look what this day or tomorrow or this week can bring us on financial markets. Most of the traders trade different kind of the assets. Some of them trade equity, some future contracts, some CFDs, some pure forex market. But every trader all over the world, they always analyze like kind of the assets like S&P 500, Dow Jones, main indexes from other countries, and what? Gold, exactly, gold. And on today's update, I would like to concentrate and start this week with analysis of gold, and let's have a look on future contract of gold, which make the main direction. Doesn't matter what broker company you use, the future contract is always the most important asset, because that's the pure information about the price, and other brokerage company mirror the future contract price, and they set own prices for gold if you trade CFDs or other synthetic product. But the most important is gold itself. If you could remember, last week I did few analyses, and all of them suggest. We never try to suggest something you as a trade or give you as the analysis as a signal. But every our analysis from previous week suggests that the market is controlled by buyers. What it means that we supposed to, as a traders, look for long trades than short trades. And before you start trading day, before you starting investing, whatever you want to buy or sell, you need to first analyze the technical point of the asset on the chart. So let's concentrate on the gold at this moment, and let's see what we can what advantage we can have to trade watching the gold. So this is a daily time frame. As you see here, daily time frame. This is gold future continuous contract on TradingView platform. I also will leave you my account to TradingView. Sometimes you can get some other asset analysis. So I welcome everyone. But let's first concentrate on the gold. Daily, okay? Daily chart. So the history told us right now we see the price is 2,360 in the current moment. What's happened a few weeks ago? We have super beautiful rally, and suddenly, exactly at that day, the price went to extreme point, and then market close at this day in that point. So what it means, look at the volume as well. It means that market was in super euphoria, and then supply came in on the market and overcome demand. Remember this, supply overcome demand. So that's why the market didn't close here. So it means, watching this volume, that so many sellers decided if they buy here, maybe they buy here. They decided to take profit from this long trade, okay? Then market for a few days tried to go again and cross this level and set a new high. But suddenly, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Then market again show a strength. I mean, the sellers showed a strength, and also this is over average volume, and they closed this day exactly here. Okay, so that's the information. It's very bearish kind of the behavior. So we were watching later for the next few days, market try to recover, and then we still keep the price below this resistance level. And what happened next, like previous week, the market slowly go to the upside, just test few times this resistance, and finally on Friday session we broke it, okay? And right now this resistance is our support. So those guys who took a profit here, took a profit here, they sold their asset. Market tried to go lower, couldn't, and it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 session to again break this level. It means that right now we have the market changed his behavior, and right now we have nice accumulation here and breakout, okay? So this is the point 2340, 50 is our support level. This is daily time frame, okay? So let's switch right now chart, and let's go for smaller time frame, like 4-hour chart, and see where we exactly are. Let's extend this level, okay? Let's extend this level. Maybe it is even too wide, sorry. Just need to again drag it, and so we need to, what we need to do, we need to, okay, drag it again here. Maybe it's a bit too wide. I would set like this, okay? That's the perfect resistance level. And have a look how the market went to the upside. It's 4-hour chart. We have some kind of the strong volume. Market is trading down right now, okay? But remember, this is kind of the accumulation. This is kind of the accumulation. How accumulation process works, if you want to know in details, sign up, go to volumedaytrader.com and sign up for the free email. And if you would like to become our member, there is everything in details explained on our Weis Wave course and volume course itself, like volume spread analysis course, which based on the volume, the Weis Wave concept. Everything is super explained. So we have accumulation here and first markup. What is the structure of anatomy of the market? We have markup, then we have some small correction, and then market goes again high. It's supposed to be when we have a super clear accumulation in our background. Let's go for the smaller time frame. Let's see 1-hour chart and have a look on this volume here. It's like not super ultra heavy, but look at this. We have a nice trail here. Okay, a lot of volume before we break, and finally we break. Okay, here some sales volume came, and this sells right now drives the market to the lower levels. Okay, and somewhere here we're supposed to expect a super strong support level. Okay, and if for our candle will close somewhere here, like around 2320, that could be change in behavior. But if market still trading above this level here, it's we're supposed to look right now on this move down. We're supposed to still look for the buy signal. Okay, that's our right now view on the market, because when the market is above this point, we still see the market as it is controlled by the buyers. And we also have our own indicators, and indicators which shows us the volume. Okay, so let's put some volume and let's see. Wow, 106,000 contracts here, and only 31 sell, 23. Okay, right now you see on this wave, there was no buyers here on this wave, no buyers. So sellers still in the short time frame control the market right now. But in this area here or somewhere before, we're supposed to look for some patterns which supposed to suggest us buying action. Because it's Monday, okay? Because it's Monday, I normally don't trade gold on Monday till US session starts. So first, I'm doing the market analysis and see where is a buying point, where is the support, the resistance, and here is a support. Here also will be support level for this 1 hour time frame here. But because it's Monday and I strongly believe that US session drives all the markets, I'm waiting when the US market is open. So if you are, let's say, in Europe, it's late afternoon. If it's in, let's say, you are in Southeast Asia, Cambodia, Thailand, Laos, wherever you are, Singapore, you still need to wait till evening, okay, for the market opening. I do not trade gold till this time. Once the US market open, I'm looking for my setups. And of course, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's normal trading hours. But on Monday, I always wait when the US session starts. So guys, still here, I see the chance that the market will touch this or maybe cross whatever they do. I'm waiting first for the US session. And if we will start accumulate on US session here, maybe on the smaller time frame, like 3 minutes, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, then I would consider buy gold somewhere here. But because the market in US is closed at this moment, the spot market, I don't touch the gold. Thank you very much and follow us. And today, if you want to get my free report, with market US stock analysis, and you want to see how we do our market research, there would be an email to all our subscribers at late afternoon. So we will send it before US session starts. So follow us and get this free email with market analysis. Thank you very much. See you then.